Equilateral and Isosceles Triangle. Now an equilateral triangle, as the name suggests, has something to do with equal. In an equilateral triangle, let's say this is a triangle ABC. All the three sides, which is say AB, is equal to BC is equal to AC. So all the three sides are equal. So whenever a triangle is an equilateral triangle, we can safely assume if the length of the measure of one of these sides is given, let's say this size is 5 centimeter, and we are told that this is an equilateral triangle, then by default even this size, which is AB, would be 5 and BC will also be equal to 5 centimeter. The second important property of an equilateral triangle is that all angles are equal, which means that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. But so if suppose one is x, the other one is also equal to x, and the third one is also equal to x. However, we also know the property that the sum of all the three sides of a triangle, the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now here basically if the value of one is x, then the value of the other two is also x. So we know that 3 times x is equal to 180 degree, which implies that x is equal to 180 divided by 3. So in an equilateral triangle, the angle, each of the angle is equal to 60 degree. Because all the three angles are equal and the sum of all three angles is always equal to 180 degree. Therefore, by implication it implies that each of the angle is worth 60 degree. Now the other category of triangle that we have is something which is called the isosceles triangle. Now we've seen equilateral triangle. Now let's say we have now in such a triangle, which is the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So you will have AB is equal to BC. If this is the case, then these triangles are called the isosceles triangle. Okay, or you can have BC is equal to AC, or you can have AC is equal to AB. I mean, in either case, either this is equal to this, or this is equal to this, or maybe this is equal to this. So you can have either of these three combinations, but whenever two sides are equal, then it's an isosceles triangle. Any two sides are equal. Now in addition to this, there is one other important and interesting angle, which is that the angle which is opposite to the equal side, let's say suppose I take AB and BC. In such a case, the angle which is opposite to the equal side, so any angle which is opposite to this side will be this, and an angle which is opposite to this side will be this. In such a case, what will happen is that angle C is equal to angle A. Now what happens in BC and AC? Suppose this, let me take a different color. If suppose this side is equal to this side, then what will happen? The angle opposite to this is A and the angle opposite to this is B. So angle A is equal to angle B. Yet again, let me take another different color, this time maybe a black. If suppose this side is equal to, Yeah, so this side is equal to this side, then you have angle B is equal to angle C. So in an isosceles triangle, the sides, or rather the angles opposite to equal sides, are also equal. So this is the property of an isosceles triangle.